echoes green. Beside is the love you on my last of beautiful things which have happened to me. I think you are number one every single day. I give thanks. I just need to let you know that you owe me something since the day you entered my life. You have been living rent free in my mind. It's time for you to pay up, but the only currency I take is either hugs or kisses. It's your choices. You can send me a message on my WhatsApp. For that, I am feeling for you hard. I love you a little more each day. I always think it is not possible to adore you more than I can do. Then you do something drive me wild. I cannot imagine life without you. To Allah for giving you such a mild and lovely heart. I also thank him for making us a pair. I will never stop celebration you long as I can still breathe. Love you, my everything. The only person I find solace in you, knowing that you have so much love for my stainless me here on earth. It's keep me alive, knowing that I must spend my whole life with you. Make me keen to life for another day. I love you more than I love you myself in the hush of night when the world lays still and the moonlight spills on the window sill. I think of you, your laugh, your name, and every time I feel the same a pull, a fear, a silent song, a place where I have always belonged. Your love, a compass in my chest that leads me home to where I rest. I meet you not by chance or fit, but in a moment, love, dreaded, created, not just skin or smile or face, but the soul that holds the gentle grace you speak, and the flower seem to bloom. Your silence, a soft melodious tune, even storms of your flame, your eyes like a galaxy unknown, hold secrets meant for me alone. And when you gaze, the sky breaks through, revealing all I ever known. For in your heart, I found the key to the deepest pair part inside and of me. The worst I feared, the dreams I'd lose. You brought them back, no matter the cost. When you laugh, the morning breaks, the sun itself begins to wake. When you cry, the world turns grey, and I would give me soul to take the pain away, the tears you hid, and hold you always by your side. Let me the voice you trusted, the arms crave the heart,